trains in Montreal. I can smell that diesel. This is an inbound CP freight. Wasn't expecting it. That means my train's going to be on this side. Here at Lachine at about 12 past 6 p.m. on the 4th of April 2023. Well, at least I know I'm on the right side of the tracks now. Don't have to go into the tunnel. If I had done that, I would have had to come back. And on top of that, I got CN tracks to my right. So there might be some trains coming on that direction as well, on that track. Lots of inbound cars, which as Elton would say is the time for cars to be bought. And here's some high side gons. So now we're in the mixed freight. Box stars. And more auto racks. I miss the days when you could see the cars before the time of the aluminum, when you could see what cars were in the racks. So I guess this is 142, maybe? Or 120, maybe. In any case, this will be heading into the yard at St. Luke. They'll be unloading all the cars from these auto racks, putting them on the car carriers, and sending them out to various dealerships. And here's the double stacks. Now usually the double stacks are at the front and the auto racks are at the end, so very unusual here. And of course, the pile of snow is still there. Yeah, that's April 4th and that pile of snow is still there. It's not coal, it's not gravel. So the train is really snowing down now. It may actually stop. It's not too far from the yard entrance. Okay, so it stopped. And it sounded like it's snapped a connection or something. Looks like there's still a lot of cars to come. Anyway, I'll resume the video if the train moves. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.